So I actually did a mile, 1.2 miles, and I did not stop running the entire time.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Hello, you guys. So this week I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while. I just like have been really into Instagram, and I feel like when I'm killing it on Instagram, I'm slacking on YouTube and vice versa. So I'm sorry, but this past week or two has been dedicated to Instagram. But if you want to follow me there, I'm killing it over there, if you're interested. But this week I wanted to do a week full of running a mile and doing my at-home workout, but I ended up not really doing that. So mostly because, I don't know, I felt not necessarily overwhelmed, but I just kind of didn't want to do a challenge this week. I kind of wanted to implement more of like a healthy lifestyle and just like being more consistent with it rather than doing 5 days a week every single week, and like kind of making it more sustainable for me. So this past week I did run and I did do my workouts, but I didn't do the full 5 days, but I kind of killed it, not gonna lie. Like today even, I ran over 2 miles straight through, did not take a break, and I owe it all to the Nike Run Club. And seriously, if you guys want to start running, you have to download that app. It has been seriously a godsend for me. But yeah, I still documented some of my week, so I wanted to show you guys. So I think I'm gonna call this video something like beginner runner keeps on running or something like that, because basically I've just been really loving running lately. It's been really great for my mental health and my physical health, so I think I want to keep documenting that kind of thing, but it's not going to necessarily be a challenge or anything, but I still want you guys to see it because I think it's going to be kind of inspiring for you, especially because I am the girl that hates running, but lately I've been looking forward to running. So like, what the fuck is that about? You know? So we do have some clips from my past week working out, and then yeah, that's about it. No challenge, haven't lost any weight. I weighed myself yesterday morning and I think I gained 3 pounds, but I don't care. I really don't care. So yeah, let's get into the clips that I do have from the week and then we'll talk about it. So it's another start of a weekly fitness challenge. Thank you guys so much for all the love on the running one. It's actually one of the better ones that has gone over with you guys recently, and it's only been like less than 24 hours, which is cool. But yeah, this week's challenge, we're gonna do something a little different. We are going to take the past 2 weeks challenges and combine them. So my week of home workouts and my week of running a mile, I'm gonna do both of those every day. So I'm gonna run a mile and I'm gonna do that home workout every single day this week. Are you scared for me? I'm actually not that scared. You know why I'm not that scared? Because they both take like less than 20 minutes, both the workouts and the mile run. So I feel like as long as I can get it all in within an hour, I'm good, you know? So we're gonna call this another round of like 2-a-days, but to be honest, we're just gonna do them back to back because I cannot be bothered with sweating, showering, and then sweating and showering again every day. I know I have all the time in the world, I'm just not gonna do it. I'm gonna sweat once and that's gonna be it. But yeah, I'm up. It's actually, I'm getting a late start just because I was like kind of confused this morning about like if I was really gonna do this as the challenge or if I was gonna try to find something else. And then also I was just kind of sleepy. So yeah, I've got my pre-workout here. I'm gonna chug this. We're gonna change into some workout clothes and we're gonna do our mile run first, and then we're gonna come back into this room and do our other workout, our at-home workout. I will link that down below for you guys again. And that's gonna be that. And I'm going to stretch this time because one of my friends that actually like exercises regularly, she told me I need to stretch or I can get really badly injured. I fucking hate stretching. I think it's just stupid. I hate it. But I gotta do it. So remember to stretch, people. Yeah, happy Monday. I'm excited to get this in. Also excited to, this week, this is going to be the week that we get under 200. I know the scale doesn't matter, but it's like, you know, when you like try it something and you try it something and you try it something and it like, you don't reach it. This is just like my personal challenge. Like, we're doing it. Even if next week we go right back up, I don't give a shit. I'm doing it this week. So yeah, but yeah, that's it. I will check in after my run and then we'll do our workout and then that'll be day 1 of our challenge. Okay guys, just got back from my run. My left calf started like getting crampy, so I walked a little more than I wanted to today, but I'd rather walk a little more than be injured for the rest of the week. So Oh my God, it's hot out. I wore this jacket because all I have is a sports bra under. Should have just wore a big t-shirt because it is hot today. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna catch my breath for like 5 minutes and then do this workout. I'm so beat. Oh my God, it's hot out. Just finished my workout. That was great. Let me start my watch. Out of breath, ready to get in the shower. But today was a good day. Let's do it again tomorrow. I'll see you then. Hi guys, I'm having a Trisha Paytas moment on my floor. It's on my kitchen floor, but it's a floor. Also, my battery's dying. Wonderful. Basically, it's day 2. Gonna chug this pre-workout. Gonna go at it. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling right. It's only 9:30, so we're getting a better start than we did yesterday. It's also nice out. It's a little bit chillier, but I think that's good because yesterday I was fucking sweating. But yeah, I'm gonna chug this. We're gonna go for a run. We're gonna do our day 2 of our workout, and we gonna get it in. Happy Tuesday, y'all. Also, happy Cinco de Mayo. Why is Cinco de Mayo and Taco Tuesday on the same day this year, and we can't go outside? You guys, like literally. Okay, so today, instead of just running on my own, I actually downloaded yesterday the Nike Run Club. And so today I did the first guided run on the Nike Run Club. And it's like a 20-minute run, and like the guy's in your ears while music is playing too. You can link your music to it. But he's like guiding you through the run, telling you exactly what to do. And I literally, first of all, I'm not dying of sweat or completely out of breath right now, and all of my other runs for the past 2 weeks I have been. And I ran 20 minutes straight without stopping. So I actually did a mile, 1.2 miles, and I did not stop running the entire time. What? Like, I feel literally so good about myself right now. It's ridiculous. Like, Nike Run Club is that shit. Sir, I'm having a moment. Thank you. Yeah, never knew. I mean, you think running is like, it's the easiest thing in the world. You just fucking walk really fast with, you know, your arms swinging or whatever. But apparently you can be coached to run too, and it like actually works. So who knew? So that was great. I feel empowered, truly. I'm gonna do my workout now. That's literally so crazy. Like, I don't even feel like that tired. Like, I feel like I can go on a whole nother run right now. I'm not going to. But yesterday I was beat. I had to sit here for like 10 whole minutes just to catch my breath. And today I feel amazing. What the fuck? And I ran longer, or like further. Well, longer and further. Also, I need to start wearing scrunchies out for a run. I look like so 80s mom. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna work out now. I feel like how did that just happen? How did I just run 20 minutes straight? Whoever that guy is, soothing as fuck, man. He really empowered me. Okay, I'm gonna get this workout in because I'm tired of being sweaty. I'm not even that sweaty though. That's the crazy shit. Bruh, Nike Run Club. Who knew? Actually, everybody knew. I'm probably the last person on this train. But yeah, let's get this workout in and let's get on with our day. Okay. I forgot to record anything before I went on my run, but I just got back. I did the second run on the Nike Run Club app, and I fucking love Coach Bennett. He's really that guy. Like, yesterday I ran 1.2 miles, today I ran 1.4, and my mile went down. Yesterday it was 16 minutes 45 seconds for the mile. Today it was 15 minutes 50 seconds. So almost a minute off my mile, which is great because I felt like I was going just as slow. So I guess I'm improving. That's great. I also didn't wear my waist trainer on a run today, and I think I'm gonna keep it off at least until I'm like better at running, because I really do think it like puts me out of breath easier. So I'm just gonna run without it, and then maybe if I build up to a place where I'm like good, you know, I'll put it back on, but I'm fine without it. I'm sweaty as hell, but it's raining out today. It was gross. I literally ran in the rain with my hood up and everything, but I felt good that I did it. I was gonna do it either way, whether it was raining or not, but I probably should have gone earlier. It's also it's 3 o'clock. I worked all morning. Usually, you guys know I usually like wake up and do my workout first, but today I wanted to try something different. I wanted to like not focus my whole morning around my workout and be able to just like throw it in the middle of the day, because there's gonna be some mornings that I can't wake up and just go run. So I wanted to like kind of teach myself that I don't, you know, anyway, doesn't matter. I'm about to do this workout. Can you guys tell that I'm getting better at this shit? Like, I'm having a full-on conversation with you and I just came in from this run, like just now, and I'm not completely out of breath. Compared to last week, that's amazing, I think. So yeah, if you guys want to start running, download the Nike Run Club app, because it's really changing my life, like low-key. But yeah, I'm gonna rest here for a minute, just like kind of, I don't know. I don't want to start my workout right now. I'm gonna wait like 5 minutes and then start it, but I will record it when I do. I've been sitting here for almost an hour, still haven't done the workout. Honestly, truly, you guys, I don't want to do it. Like, I feel so good about that run, and I just don't want to do the workout. Honestly, I'm just not going to. I'm sorry, my body just doesn't want to. No, my body is fine. My body can do it. My mind just doesn't want to, and honestly, I'm just not going to do it. This is not me being lazy. This is me putting my foot down. Like, I have better things to do. Is this wrong of me? Should I do? I should probably do it. I just really don't want to, quite frankly. Whatever. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just not gonna do it. You guys can make fun of me or call me lazy, whatever. I don't care. I did my run. I did a fantastic run, and I don't want to do the workout, okay? You can't make me. You're not my real dad. You can't make me. Okay, I'm getting in the shower. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, so I didn't end up running on Thursday. I didn't do anything on Thursday. I took a day Thursday, for real. Yeah, so then Friday, Meej and I decided to run for Ahmaud Arbery. So we went out on a 2.23 mile run, ended up being like 2.37 or something, like the route we took. But we ran for Ahmaud on Friday, and I did take some Instagram stories, so I will insert those clips here.
Hi. So we just finished our basically 2.5 mile run. And it was pretty cool. I almost puked. Didn't puke though. Slowed myself down, didn't puke, which is great. Also, oh, I shouldn't zoom in like that because the filter goes away and then you can see how ugly I truly am in this moment. Also, oh my god, I have to sneeze. Ugh, this is really bad timing. But like while we were running, there was like a bunch of cars that kept honking at us, and like usually I'd be like, ew, like creepy men honking at me because like my butt is in leggings right now. But I'm pretty sure it was because like people, one, knew why we were running and were like cheering us on, and then two, this girl at a red light like stopped and rolled down her window and she was like, "You go, girl," and I was like, eh. And then that's the moment that I almost puked, so that was great.
But yeah, I felt really proud of myself for running that far, that long, like, and especially kind of because I was keeping up with Meech's pace. I mean, he was definitely running slower for me and I was running faster for him, but it was a really great run. We ran in the rain. It was like an experience, to be honest. But I felt really great about it, and I felt really great about the whole week. Even though I didn't do the full 5 days, even though I didn't do what I set out to do in the beginning of the week, I just decided that it didn't matter. It kind of like, as I got through the week, I was like, let me just listen to my body this week. Instead of pushing through and trying to get this done like just for the sake of a video, like let me just like actually do what's realistic for me. And Thursday just didn't feel like working out. Like I just did not want to do anything. So I took that day, and I feel like working out 4 days a week instead of the 5 is still pretty good. Like that's still like a normal amount of time to work out, or like a normal routine. And then today I actually ran over 2 miles straight through. Like I ran 35 minutes straight it was the first long run on the Nike Run Club app, and I did it straight through. I literally felt like I could keep running when I was done, which is kind of incredible. So I'm just gonna tell you guys, if you guys want to start running, download the Nike Run Club app. Coach Bennett, honestly, I might marry him. If me and Meech don't work out, I might marry him, because that man's voice is the most soothing, calming thing in the entire world. I have such a crush on a man I've never seen. Never seen Coach Bennett, but him in my ears, I love him to death. But yeah, that's basically going to be this week's video. I know it's like not necessarily a challenge, but it's kind of just a health vlog or like a fitness vlog in a way. And I'll probably do another one this week. Maybe we can just kind of document me becoming a runner. Like, is that a thing? I don't know. I'm gonna make it a thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button down below. Follow me becoming a runner. That's a thing now. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see, because I'm at a loss. Love you. Bye.